Hello, I'm Juan Antonio Gonzalez, the acting United States Attorney for the Southern District of Florida. I am here to announce that Alex Naim Saab Moran is currently in the custody of United States law enforcement in Miami after having been extradited from the Republic of Cabo Verde to face prosecution in the Southern District of Florida. In 2019, a federal grand jury in Miami charged Saab with laundering approximately $350 million in connection with an illegal bribery scheme that took advantage of Venezuela's government-controlled money exchange system, under which U.S. dollars could be obtained at a favorable rate. According to the indictment, Saab and his co-defendant, Alvaro Polito Vargas, obtained a contract with the Venezuelan government in November of 2011 to build low-income housing units. The indictment alleges that Saab and Polito exploited the Venezuelan government-controlled exchange rate by submitting fraudulent import documents for goods and materials that were never imported into Venezuela and bribing Venezuelan government officials to approve these documents. The indictment also alleges that Saab and his co-conspirator laundered money by transferring it from bank accounts in Venezuela through bank accounts in the United States, including Miami, then to overseas accounts they owned and controlled. On Saturday, October 16th, after 16 months fighting the United States request for extradition from the Republic of Cabo Verde, Saab arrived in the United States. Saab had his initial court appearance today at 1 p.m. in Federal Magistrate Court in Miami before U.S. Magistrate Judge John J. O'Sullivan. Saab agreed to remain detained pending his trial. I'd like to acknowledge Assistant Attorney General Keith A. Polite, Jr. of the Justice Department's Criminal Division and Acting Special Agent in Charge Laverne J. Hibbert of the United States Drug Enforcement Administration Miami Field Office, who, while not physically here, make this announcement along with me. The diligent work of their lawyers and agents are making this prosecution possible. Thank you to FBI Miami and Homeland Security Investigations Miami for assisting the DEA with this investigation, and thank you to FBI's International Operations Division who transported Saab from Cabo Verde to the United States. I commend and am grateful to the government of the Republic of Cabo Verde for its assistance in the extradition of Saab to the United States. I further want to acknowledge the prosecutors handling this case, Assistant United States Attorney Kurt Lunkenheimer and Money Laundering Section Chief Ricardo Del Toro, both from the Southern District of Florida, as well as trial attorney Alexander Kramer of the Criminal Division's Fraud Section.